There's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right.
Hey guys, welcome back to Coward the Gamer here. Tuesdays are for the boys. I just sent them.
Feels right.
Hey guys, welcome back here. So today we're doing a compression test on the R28, whatever you want to call it, you know. Well, that's what we're building it to, is an R28. So, we got the 2.812 VR6. So we're doing a compression test on this bad boy. I'm hoping she's fine. I did buy this car for $1,000. If you haven't seen the, I guess, review of it, or well, not review, but the look around, you guys can see in some of my old videos. So we got this OEM compression tester here. I think we're gonna be using this one. We're taking out, there's 6 pistons, all this VR6. We're taking out each spark plug, and we're gonna see it. See the compression on it. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I believe that's how it goes. We are changing the water thermostat housing. That's what I'm doing right now. But first, I'm doing a compression test just to see if I, should dump more money into this engine, or just, because I got coil pack, wires, spark plugs. I already did a water pump, thermostat housing. Yeah, probably. So I just want to check compression, see if it's worth, installing new parts, or just get used parts and sell a car. That's going to have to happen. But for $1,000, I should probably sell it for $3,000 if this engine just running good and just driving and pass emissions. That would be wonderful. So let's see what's next. Alright guys, here's spark plug I took out. It's black. I know I have some other ones right around, bam, that I took out from MK3. So VR6 from the junkyard, which they only look like they have 5,000 miles. They're still on a white tip, so not bad. And they're NK or NG for that, like, performance brand. So we got it hooked up down here into it, nice and tight. Not too tight, or it will get stuck. But that happened to me one time. So the battery's hooked up. So let's give it a crank. Probably. First remove the fuel fuse. So let's find that fuel fuse real quick, and then we'll remove it. Alright, so I don't know if you can see that, but here we got 32 is injectors, 28 right there is gasoline fuel pump, and 34 is engine management. So I'm just remove 34, 32, and 28. You probably don't have to remove all of them, but you're already here, so why not, right? Alright guys, so we have it, and let's do like 4 ranks or something. Ready? Well, my battery, okay, let me fix that. Let's go for another try. Alright, see what compression that gave us. The gauge I rented at AutoZone was broken, so it just did that. I'll show a clip up there. But so we got the O'Reilly gauge, so same thing, just you guys all saw that part, but we're gonna use a different gauge. This is from O'Reilly. No hate to AutoZone, but sometimes the rental tools go bad, and they didn't have another one, so I picked up another one at O'Reilly. So let's get to it. Alright, that felt a little, felt weird, but see if the gauge is working. Okay. Alright, cylinder 1 is at 180. Alright, and we'll go and do that for every single cylinder. See what's at. Number 2. We're testing 180 on cylinder number 4. Alright guys, I've tested all cylinders on the R28, conversion. That's what I'm doing. So cylinder 6 is finally done. So these are exactly the numbers I got. We got cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We got 180 PSI on 1, 2, 175 on 3, 175 on 4, 180 on 5, 185 on 6, 185. Basically, this is pretty good in just between 5s. The only difference is 10 PSI in between these, but that's really not bad because these are in the middle. So it's pretty good because I was reading around. New, it's 147 through 1. Now, well, in good condition. That's in good condition is 147 to 191. So new out of factory is 191, and I have 185 on some. So that's only 10 psi from the 11 psi from the factory, which is pretty good. No, sorry, 6 psi from the factory, which is really good. And then wore down is 110 psi. So I think this engine is healthy and in good shape. Hopefully head gasket is still good, I'm hoping, because it did overheat on the last owner, but I think this engine is healthy, so I can actually put some money down into this engine, because there's no ticks, runs good, just misfiring because of coil pack. So I think I can put some good money now into this engine because it's I think the engine's healthy. So I also want to do a block tester soon, but alright guys, thanks for watching. That's all for this video, just a compression test on the R28. See how it's going. I have a lot of things planned for this baby, so stay tuned for that. A lot more on the exterior coming, and some rims coming. Haha. Some good rims, made in Germany. They're like $1,000 a piece, but I got a discount. Yep, coming that tint coming soon. So, and more mods for this bad boy too. So stay tuned. I still have the other Volkswagen race car, still doing things for that. So thanks for watching. Please tune for my next video, guys. I would love for you guys to like, subscribe, share. Would mean a lot to me. So thanks for watching. Please tune for my next video. And as always, guys, peace out. Here she is. I don't think she's misfiring now. Check engine light. I'll check that in a second, but take it for a little drive.